Dino, Rear Admiral Atelo L. Ibanez, Philippine Coast Guard, Police Chief Superintendent Benjamin T. Holipas, Philippine National Police, Brigadier General John Dominic P. Pulido, Armed Forces of the Philippines, and Brigadier General Aganes C. Adriatico, Armed Forces of the Philippines. They are accompanied by the Assistant Superintendent, Philippine Military Academy, Brigadier General Nestor Florente D. Sirayos, Armed Forces of the Philippines. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Panfilo Lacson, PMA Class of 1971, and Lieutenant General Salvador Melchor P. Mison, Armed Forces of the Philippines. The Vice Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Sa part sa TPR ni Adriatico and Airboy and Bañez.
Of 1942 and 1943, graduated at Benjie, and its members were assigned to combat units of the HAP in other parts of the country. Many perished in the war. On July 1947, the Academy reopened at Capital Alley. Due to the need for war grounds, the Academy moved to its present site at Fort Pilar in Luanga, some 10 kilometers away from downtown Baguio City. And then, after the hero of the Pass, General Gregorio H. De Villar, it was developed into a military training institution with facilities and infrastructures required by the Academy. In the 1960s, the Academy underwent major changes as social linguistic courses were added to balance the techno-scientific disciplines with a view towards providing a well-rounded education.
The acceptance of women in the Academy was introduced. With this act, the Academy will extend towards the recognition of women's status and equality. The female cadets have undergone particularly what their male counterparts have been tasked to do. Although living in separate quarters, they have been afforded equal treatment and training. Today, the Philippine Military Academy remains focused on its mission to reach the international standard of military academies by the year 2028, producing military professional of character, dedicated to protect and help the nation. Its mission adheres to the philosophy that adopts a holistic view of man's body, soul, and spirit. PMA believes that future leaders can be selected, formed, and developed to their fullest potentials. Under this concept, PMA's Leader Development Program contains character development, a balanced college education, military leadership, and physical development. This total person concept is aptly captured in the PMA mission statement to instruct, train, and develop the cadets so that each graduate shall possess the character, the broad and basic military skills, and the education essential to the successful pursuit of a progressive military career as a value-centered leader in selfless service to the armed forces of the Philippines and the nation. These young men, women, and children compose the Cadet Corps Armed Forces of the Philippines. In a short while, the brigade commander will give a series of commands for the Corps to execute the Medal of Arms. Starting with right shoulder arms. Left shoulder arms. Port Arms. Border Arms. Inspection Arms.
Aspirant officers, each battalion, march forward to receive instructions from the brigade commander.
Communications, orders, and designations must pass through proper channels. This is a practice observed in the military profession, which signifies the importance of the chain of command. Through the chain of command, a more effective and efficient working arrangement results among many arms. Now, approaching the grandstand, ladies and gentlemen, are the members of the chain of command, the officers of the Cadet Corps Armed Forces of the Philippines. Upon the salute of his officers, the brigade commander acknowledges, gives instructions, and directs them to proceed back to their respective posts. While inside the hallowed grounds of this great institution, the cadets must endure the challenging training. The military system characterizes and distinguishes the unique life inside PMA. It fosters punctuality, order, discipline, and respect for authority. By placing cadets in uniform play, it enables these young men and women to advance through self-reliance, initiative, and strength of character.
The audience is requested to stand.
Rather than using the Carabao,